When it comes to building an email list, people really tend to overcomplicate it. And it comes down to three things. This is the only three things that you should be thinking about when building a list. And this is something that we've been doing for years. And after doing it for years, we've broken it down into these three different components. The first one is you need a lead magnet. That lead magnet needs to be something that only your potential customer would want. That is it. Really, really clear on who you are targeting and what they would want. They are raising their hand. Once we get that, we have to get traffic. Once we get traffic, we can drive it to our lead magnet. From there, once someone raises their hand by putting their email address in and becoming one of our subscribers, the third component is the follow-up. And this, my friends, is where a lot of people drop the ball. The follow-up is where the money is made. That is where you'll be able to present your offers. You'll be able to do promos. You'll be able to give people value before they buy from you. All of the magic happens after someone has joined your list. So that's all you need. And if you have those three components, guess what? You're going to be able to send emails to the right people with the right offers and make more sales. Listen, I'm a little bit obsessed with email marketing. And because of that, I've taken my years of experience and I distilled it down and put it into a 100-page guide, a playbook, if you will. And this here is now available if you want a copy. So head on over to emaillistplaybook.com. So if you want to build a highly engaged email list with the right people of potential buyers and buyers, definitely check out the playbook. I think you'll love it.